everybody, welcome to the new video. In this video we are gonna talk about text element in Compose, but I just want to make a little recap from the previous lesson. This is what a composable function looks like. We need to have a composable annotation before our function, and composable functions are unit functions. They don't return anything, and this is our preview function that we called our function and gave it a default value to see it right there. And in our main activity we need our cookbook temp, so we can call our composable function to run our app. And right there we see enable age to age function that we called. This is about full size or not for your status bar, so just run the app and I can show you. You see that our text top of the top, but if I delete this, we can see our status and our text gonna be bottom of the status like that. So right now we don't need that, we can delete it. And let's start with text. You know, text is a simple format of the UI, and I want to show that what a compose element format looks like. You see a simple text. If you don't style your text, Android Studio gonna use default styling that we see in here. If you come over the text, you see your options, font size, color, font style. Start with font size. I want to change font size and I'm gonna make it 20 SP. And in text we need to use SP, not DP, because SP is scalable for user preferences, but DP is not. Don't forget about that. And font weight, this is about is it bold or not. So you can see our options like that. Like I wanted extra bold. And font style, is it about italic or not. Font style, delete the parentheses, we can make it italic. So here we are, our first styled text, and we can change color too, of course. Let's make it blue. And that's all for a basic text style. And of course we can change our font family, but how? Just open your res directory, and if you can see a font file, just make a new Android resource directory. From here I need to choose font and font file. I just need to copy it and paste right there. Your font file name must be lowercase, A to Z, 0 to 9, or underscore. If you don't rename it like that, a compiler gonna give you an error and it's not gonna run your app. So this is okay for a file name. Click OK, and here we are. And I just need to make a new variable named my font family, and font parentheses, your font's address, our font, and you see that? And just look at these. I can delete these ones. We just need to use this one. So right there, font family, and I can choose my font as my font. Let's refresh. You see that? And that's how you change your font. And another option is text overflow handling. If your text is too long, like hello, and you can only have max line as one, and I can make it more long. You see that? We can see the remain of the text. So what can you do? Just overflow text overflow, and you have your options like that. Clip is the default one. This is clip version, and ellipsis adds 3 dots end of your text. You see that? And visible is when there is another text, it makes your text visible. But right now I can't show you, but in the next lessons I'm gonna show you when we talk about layouts. And we can make our text clickable, of course, and we just need to add clickable end of the modifier. How are you? And for this we need to run our app on emulator to see what's going on Locket. You see, this is our text, and this is our output right there. If I click, it's gonna make another output too. So, and this is last 2 examples. I want you to do yourself and see the result. You know, practice is the key. So don't forget to make this yourself. So don't forget to try this yourself and see the results, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please like and comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.